Hi, my name is Aung Soe Lin and today I'll be presenting about the emerging technology which is about the 5G network. To talk about the 5G network, we first have to know what it really is. To simply explain what 5G is, it is the fifth generation technology standard for broadband cellular networks. Based on the 2019 graphical representation of the Gartner hype cycle, the 5G network is at the topmost of the curve, which indicates that it is the highest expected level and the time frame to reach its potential is marked as an approximation of 2 to 5 years. After we know what the 5G network is, it is important for us to understand the history behind this. The first generation of cellular networks, called 1G, was launched by Nippon Telegraph and Telephone in Tokyo in 1979. The second generation mobile network was launched in Finland in 1991 according to the GSM standard. NTT Docomo launched 3G in 2001 to standardize the network protocols used by providers. This means that users can access data from anywhere in the world. 4G was first distributed in 2009 in Stockholm, Sweden, Oslo, Norway with an LTE 4G standard. In 2008, Korea developed a 5G R&D program, and New York University established NYU Wireless in 2012 with an emphasis on 5G. The current development state of the 5G is that 5G mobile network communications offer low latency, high broadband, high speed, and advances the accessibility and dependability of the wireless data transmission. 5G will not only expand many industrial connectivity solutions, but also will craft new services. Today, most European and East Asian countries and major countries have access to the 5G technology, and the rest of the world is delivering faster. SWOT analysis is a system that is used to distinguish the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for a business or a certain project. The strengths of the 5G networks are that people are experiencing speeds of up to 70 gigabits per second while engaging in 5G speed trials. Latency has been dramatically reduced while speed has been increased. The most apparent and immediate impact on customers is the ability to stream at exponentially faster speeds. The weaknesses are that to minimize increasing hacking risk, 5G cybersecurity requires considerable enhancements. As evidenced with many low-end new devices, not all manufacturers prioritize cybersecurity. As more devices are pushed to connect, billions of devices with varying levels of security imply billions of potential breach sites. 5G technology will be capable of much higher performance levels than previous generations. Under ideal conditions, it will provide download speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, which is 200 times faster than the current 4G technology. Improved speed will hasten the development of various new and existing technologies. According to the Accenture research, 5G technology could result in the creation of 250,000 permanent jobs and a nearly $40 billion rise in Canada's gross domestic product by 2026. According to the research, failing to adopt optional security controls may also be harmful because it makes networks more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Additionally, according to the American Cancer Society, 5G is under perception of supposedly raising the risk of cancer due to its radio frequency. Finally, system designs are at danger because the overlay of 4G legacy and 5G architectures may allow a malicious actor to conduct a downgrade attack. Drones now have a diverse and expanding set of applications beyond consumer filmmaking and photography. AR and VR apps will be considerably more immersive and engaging. Industrial automation is widely used nowadays. Many places across the globe are now implementing intelligent transportation systems and preparing to enable linked car technologies. Among the most anticipated 5G application is autonomous cars. Research states that the data is expected to reach 175 zettabytes globally by 2025, up to 1.2 zettabytes in 2010 when 4G was first introduced internationally. It is projected to be up to 100 times quicker than 4G systems, with up to 25 times less latency or lag time, and to accommodate up to 1 million devices inside 1 square kilometer. 5G will serve as a foundation for other advancements widely in the field of smart cities, intelligent power grids, and defense facilities. The next generation factory will use 5G to connect automated guided vehicles or forklifts, boosting mobility across the facility and establishing relationships flawlessly with humans on the factory floors. This is the end of my presentation, and these are the reference links to my presentation slides. Thank you for your time.